Today, BangMung's gonna teach you how to clean and disassemble your AK-47. Oh yeah! BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah.
Howdy, folks! Welcome back! It is me, BangMung! I did it the other way around this time, okay? We're idiots here. So, today, we got our AK-47. After a long bit of shooting, you know, we had a fun bit just shooting it a little bit. And yeah, now we're back here, and we're going to not only clean this guy, but we're also going to teach you how to disassemble it. And the main reason for disassembly is because, one, I actually know how to do it, and two, for some reason on my AK, unlike some, where there's usually a little notch here where you can pull the charging handle back into it to keep it back, mine, for some reason, just doesn't have it. I don't know why. It's very strange for some reason. You know, I just racked the gun. Oh yeah, there we go. We'll get more for that there. We'll get more. But yeah, we're gonna just do the standard cleaning as usual. The oil, the bore snake, the jizz rag, all that good stuff. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into disassembling this guy. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pop off. We're going to go ahead and get under the hood here. We're going to drop our mag first. So obviously the gun is clear. Just want to double check with everyone here. So first we're going to go ahead and get our dust cover off. So you just want to pop this button in here and pops right off. There's your dust cover. So then you got under the hood. This is what your AK is looking like. You got your recoil spring, you got your charging handle, bolt assembly, all that stuff. So what you want to do is you want to take your recoil spring and press further in on that little button and then, well, out it goes. Just like a dad who doesn't want to have kids, it pulls out. So then you can go ahead and take your entire gas tube system, charging handle assembly, bolt assembly, whatever the fuck it is, I always forget. But that's your gas piston. That's what it is, the piston. So this is what gets the gun. Oh no! Wow, that was such an amazing disassembly that I literally shit myself with excitement. But we're not done yet. You can also take this little lever here, plop it up, and then a little bit more. Right there, and boom, there's your gas tube. So there is an entirely field-stripped AK-47. For the most part. I mean, there's probably more I could do, but I don't want to do it. So there is all of your pieces to your AK that make it go tick, tick, tick. But now we got to go ahead and clean the little fella. So take yourself a little bit of a there, and you know, we're just gonna leave it there. And, you know, standard procedure. I'm not even gonna get into this bitch. You should already know what we do here by now. We take the thing. We put it in the thing, and then we shove it down. Down, down, down. Should come out at some point. Any minute now. Right there. And then, we make sure it's not knotted. Okay. And then, give it a tug. Give it the tug. Oh yeah. Give it a tug. Nice and slow. You don't even need to worry about what's in the barrel because, well, it's already gone now. So yeah, clean barrel. Get the phone. Phone is in zipper pocket. Unzip pocket. Yeah. Phone hand. Now, observe down the barrel. Look at that. The family has arrived! Alright, so if you happen to hear any speaking in the background, that's my mom and dad. They just came back from wherever they were. So, with that, let's go ahead and, well, you already seen down the barrel. I've already seen a little bit down the barrel. Not really, but we're going to go ahead and say I did because we'd like to play pretend here. But now that we got a nice clean barrel, let's go ahead and get this guy back assembled. So first, you gotta take your gas tube, situate it. I mean, it's a bit finicky to do, and, well, I guess it's not. You just make sure this lever is at a full 90-degree angle, vertical, or whatever the fuck. Then you can slap it in there and then press it right back down. That actually hurt a little bit. Owie. Alright, so now we have the part that gives me the most difficulty, and that's getting the gas piston and bolt assembly back in. So you just want to stick it back in the top hole and slide it all the way in about like that, and then just press it back in there, and wow, I actually did it first try. I about shit myself there. Not literally this time, unlike the beginning of this video. So then you want to take your take your recoil spring, slide it back through the top, give it a press, and then it'll ride right in these grooves here. That's where it'll sit. Now, if you really want to, you can just fire your AK like this, but you know, you don't really need to. Well, you shouldn't. Grease on my arm. Alright, so this usually gives me a bit of a issue here, so I don't press it up against here enough, but we gotta get our dust cover back on. Just rides up against the front over here under the sights, and look, there it is. It just pops right back on. Sometimes you might have to give it a bit of a bonk, but you know, you don't need to. And yeah, we got a assembled AK here with a clean barrel, but you know, we still got that trigger assembly down, so oh yeah. There we go. We got the second one in. You know what? We're doing it again, bitch. Yeah. Again. Yeah, why is it giving me some resistance there? I'm not sure, but there we go. Yeah. Well, you know what? I actually decided that I'm going to get the dust cover off here again because you know, as I was feeling, there's a bit of resistance when charging the gun here. I'm not doing it now, of course, but we're going to go ahead and clean under the hood here. We're going to go ahead and give a little on the recoil spring and a little bit of a, well, where do I want to hit this time? Maybe on these rails here where it goes. Little spurt. Well, that's a big spurt. Okay, that'll come in handy later, but you know. Get a good spread. Make sure it's nice and even, which it seems to be. There we go. And you know what? Now we're going to get to see what it looks like when you dry fire the gun. Oh, yeah. There you go. That's what you're seeing right there. That dry fire action. Ooh. Alright, so we got a clean barrel, we got a well-oiled action, so we're going to go ahead and give it a well-oiled outside. So it's going to go ahead and 4 squats. We're going to go ahead and rub. You know, we don't really need to say much about this because this is the same process we're going to do for pretty much every cleaning video. Unless it's something special and I feel like doing something special, which I don't. So yeah, I've got that little extra splotch of oil before. A little splotch from my mouth there. Almost taste that one. Need a little extra quad spurt here. And then just rub it down, you know? Rub it down. You gotta give your Kalashnikov a good cleaning. A clean Kalashnikov is a happy Kalashnikov. Even though you don't really need to do as much of this, you could put this in a fucking river and it'll still fire 3 weeks later. That's just how powerful Russian engineering is. Even though this is a Romanian AK, it's the same thing. Yeah. But I'm gonna go, you know, a little bit of a stupid engineering design here, Kalashnikov. See this little button here? You press that in, and you mash your finger to get your cleaning set out. That's your little cleaning kit that comes with the gun. Why did you think that was a good idea? You just want to make sure that everyone knows, hey, you're getting your cleaning kit. You're gonna stuff it back in. You also about mash your finger. Nice job, bitch. You couldn't have made that any more simple. You know, could have made a pop up. Why? Why you do stupid? This is the only stupid thing on such good gun. Why you do thing like this, Kalashnikov? A little spray up on the top here. Rubby rub. Just try and get as much as I can. I'm not going to do the craziest cleaning. I want to get this wrapped up pretty quick. I want to shower. I am fucking moist and gross feeling because if you couldn't tell by my shirt, we're doing this immediately after the shooting video, so it got a little warm wearing that hat and this mask and existing today because I'm very heavy, so you know, I carry a lot of extra weight that makes me a little bit extra warm, but there you go. Clean AK, happy AK. You got to see how to disassemble it, even though like 25 other people have shown a disassembly video on an AK, but who gives a rat's ass? You got to see it a 26th time. You know you enjoyed seeing your friendly neighborhood dumbass clean this thing, huh? But yeah, I am the greatness. That is soon to be. Bang, 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 mung, 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 mung. And I will see you in the next video with another next video dance. Sitting down this time. Whoa, 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 whoa! Okay, got the video. BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!